How to create an Instagram post. If you want to post a video or photo to Instagram, it's really easy to do so. From the Instagram app, select the plus sign in the center of your bottom menu. You can then begin creating your post. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see 3 tabs, and this is how you can select where your post content comes from. You can either select your phone's library, you can select to take a photo, or you can select to take a video. To take a photo or video, simply press the record button, and then you'll be brought to the editing process. If you choose to select a photo or video from your phone's library, you can find the photo or image that you want to post from the thumbnails below. For our demo today, we're going to show you how to post both a photo and a video, as the processes are a little different between the two. So let's start with a photo. In the bottom right corner of your post preview, you'll see 3 icons. The first is the boomerang icon, which you can connect to the Boomerang app and use any content from that app. The second icon is the layout button, which connects to the Layout app and helps you make various collages using multiple photos and videos. And the third icon is the multiple icon. This helps if you want to post multiple photos and videos in one Instagram post. Once you select the icon, you can select up to 10 photos and videos from your phone's library. Once you have your image selected, click Next in the top right corner of the screen. You're then brought to the editing page where you can add various filters to your image. And if you click the Edit tab at the bottom of your screen, you can edit the image's brightness, contrast, saturation, highlights, and more. If you want to edit any of these options, simply click it and then move the slider to increase or decrease the aspect. If you want to save your changes, click Done, and if you don't want to save it, click Cancel. At the top of your screen, you'll see a magic wand, which is the Lux icon, and if you click this, you can increase or decrease the lux of your image. If you want to save your changes, click Done. Once all of your editing is complete, click Next in the top right corner. You can now add the details to your post. You can add a caption by writing in the text field. You can tag other users in the post by selecting Tag People, and then clicking the area on the image that you'd like the tag to be featured. You can then select or search for a person you'd like to tag. To move the tag to another area, simply hold it and drag it to the new spot. If you need to remove a tag, click the tag and select the X on the right side of the tag. Once your tagging is complete, click Done in the top right corner. You can add a location tag to your post by selecting any of the recommended locations listed, or if you click Add Location, you can search for the location that you're interested in. Finally, if you want to share your post to another social network in addition to Instagram, you can turn the toggle on for any of your social accounts. In the bottom left corner of your post details, you'll see an option for advanced settings. If you click this, you have the option to turn off commenting on your post, which means that other users are not able to comment on your post, and you can include alt text for accessibility. Once all of your details are complete, click Share in the top right corner to post to your Instagram profile. Your image is now posted to your feed and is also featured on your profile page. If you want to post a video to your Instagram account, you go through the same process as posting an image. Then select the video that you want to post. As you can see in the bottom right corner of the preview, we still have our boomerang and multiple icons. Something that we didn't mention before is the expand icon, which you can see in the bottom left corner of the preview. Instagram automatically formats your posts into a square, but if you have an image or a video that isn't formatted as a square, like the one we have here, you can click the expand icon. This expands it to its full size so that viewers can see everything in the video or image. Once that's complete, click Next, and you're brought to your editing section. For videos, you once again have the ability to add a filter, but at the bottom of your screen, you also see options to trim your video, which allows you to alter the length of your video, and add a cover image, which will be the thumbnail image on your profile's feed. In the top center of your screen, you'll see a volume icon. If you select this, you can turn the video sound off so that no sounds will play when others watch the video. Once you have your settings complete, click Next. You can then once again add a caption, tag others, add a location, and post to other social networks. When you're ready to post your video, click Share. Our video is now posted to our feed and to our profile page. And that's how to create an Instagram post. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.